at Hilongos Under the Sea. This is Queen of Hilongos 2021 English Only Edition.
Hi guys, this is the Princess.
Hi guys, I'm Miss Wampipti.
Wow. And welcome back again to my channel. Yay! So for today's video guys, mag-i-English challenge kaming dalawa guys sa Miss D. Kung sino talaga ang mananalo guys na magiging reno.
Wow!
Nice.
Ready na ba kayo sa bakbakan sa English?
Yes,
ready.
I am ready for
Ready na.
this universe.
Wow! Snake Princess, ready? Oh.
For the crown.
And 3, 2,
Laban.
1.
Let's meet our candidates. First, we have Miss Snake Princess.
Wow!
Next, we also have Miss Wampipti.
Wow.
Are you ready sa English Only Challenge?
Ready.
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, so
I'm
my
excited for our I will excited to our question.
okay. So
How about
Miss,
you, Miss?
how about you, Miss
Always
150? Always ready.
Miss Wampipti, are you ready? So how about you, Miss 150? How are you going to get the crown? Do you think you can beat Snake Princess?
I do the best for I'm proud to be.
No. How about you, Snake?
Huh?
How about you, Snake? What will you do just to get the crown?
Because I am excited because I not to experience because I not a queen because I not experience a queen. I not experience to a queen.
Okay, Miss 150, choose a judge. Is it Jai Jai or Angel?
Jai Jai.
What is your question?
Okay.
Judge Jai Jai.
Okay, so this question, Miss 150, is a very simple question. So the question is, Miss 150, if you will be given a chance to change one part of your body, what would it be and why?
My first transplant for my body is hips.
Why?
Because the hips are so very pretty and sexy. That's all. Thank you.
Wow.
How about you, Snake Princess? Who is your judge?
My judge Angela, Miss Angela.
Okay, hi, Snake.
Hi,
So-
good evening, Miss Angela.
Do you feel any pressure right now?
No pressure because I am excited to question. What is your question?
What makes you different from Miss 150? Do you want me to repeat the question, Snake?
No, because I need interpreter.
Nice.
What makes you different from Miss 150?
Ano ba daw yung nagiging lamang mo kay Miss 150? Asa man kaya nagtilabaw ni Miss 150?
Is 150 is natural beauty is for me is transgender. Thank you.
Wow, nice.
The challenge is interpreter. Translate it to Tagalog.
Mas lamang pala si Miss 150 kasi natural beauty lang, unlike kay Snake Princess na may pinagawa siya.
Di ba ang tanong ano ang lamang mo?
Yeah. But talking about that, you Miss 150, you think that in joining pageant like this, it is a prerequisite, beauty is a prerequisite?
No.
Why not? We will get back to you. How about the snake?
No. I will joining the pageant because I am a confident.
Okay.
Thank you.
So it's confidence.
With confident.
So you mean beauty is all about confidence?
All about confidence.
Okay, thank you so much, Snake. How about you, Miss 150?
Brain.
Brain. So it is important.
Brain is not enough for other.
Okay.
For it's personal to knowledge,
Okay.
and thank you.
My favorite judge is Angela.
Okay.
Miss Angela. What is your question next for
Okay.
me?
What will you do if you win this title?
If you win the Queen of Ilongos, I will see to our people supporting me, and thank you so much for support, and I am happy because I am a first queen experience, and that's all. Thank you.
Ang sabi po ni Snake is if mananalo man siya sa Queen of Hilongos, it would be a pride to herself kasi first daw siyang mananalo sa Queen of Hilongos, and it's actually like pasalamat na rin niya sa mga taong sumusuporta sa kanya.
Okay.
What is the essence of being a woman?
Please interpreter, please.
Interpreter!
Ano ba ang kahulugan ng pagiging isang babae?
Ewan ko lang, no, kung challenge ba ito sa mga candidates or challenge ng interpreters. O sige, answer the question.
What can I pardon your question, please?
Sure. What is the essence of being a woman?
Is body, because
We will get back to you, Miss 150, in 3 to 5 business days.
being a woman is a sexy and pretty and brain. Why? Because it's an essence. Thank you.
According to Miss 150, ang kahulugan daw ng isang pagiging babae ay makikita lamang ito sa pagiging maganda, sexy, at saka yung may utak. Thank you.
Our final question. Why you should be the first Queen of Hilongos?
I have honor to Miss Hilongos Lady. I have honor to win to challenge, for example, for me, for teach for other, for people like me, for choose for example with me, that influence for the people, influence for, and I thank you.
If you will first Queen of Ilongos, I'm very confident because I not to going and experience, because I am also in influence people, and to be confident, beautiful with the heart, and that's all. Thank you.
Nice.
Hi guys, comment below na lang guys kung sino talaga yung McQueen Hilongos guys, 2021 guys, sa Minduha guys. Comment below na lang guys kung sino talagang nanalo guys, si Miss 150 ba or ako guys. I-comment below na lang nyo guys. Kayo na lang mag-judge guys, at saka kung sino talaga mananalo sa amin guys. And thank you so much for watching guys. This is Nick Princess.
I'm Miss 150.
And
And I'm Juris J. Tria.
Jalai.
so, bye-bye!
Bye!